In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image banner on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your storefront has a clean, professional banner that sets the tone for your brand. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing in so you're on the main dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your shop. From here, look to the left-hand side and click Online Store. That takes you to your themes area, where you control the design and layout customers will see. Next, click Edit Theme. Depending on your view, this may appear as Customize, and it opens the theme editor. This editor shows a live preview of your store on the right and a list of sections on the left, making it easy to see changes as you make them. In the left panel, find and click Image Banner. This is the section dedicated to your banner image. Inside this section, you'll see an option to add an image for your image banner. Click to upload a new file or choose from your existing library. For best results, pick a high-quality, wide landscape image that represents your brand or highlights a featured product. Large images look crisp and professional. Just make sure the file size isn't so heavy that it slows down your page. Once your image is selected, take a moment to adjust the other settings in this section. Fine-tune the image focal point so the most important part of the photo stays visible across different screen sizes. If your theme supports it, tweak the banner height to control how tall the banner appears. If you're adding text on top of the image, adjust the overlay to increase contrast and keep your headline readable. You can also refine text alignment, font size, and spacing so everything feels balanced. If there's a button option, set a clear label and link it to a relevant page, like a collection or a featured product. Consider adding alt text for accessibility and SEO. It helps describe the image to search engines and screen readers. As you make changes, glance at the preview to see how it looks. Try the mobile view to confirm that the image crops nicely and the text remains legible on smaller screens. If anything feels off, adjust the focal point or overlay until it looks right. When you're satisfied, click Save. This confirms your changes and updates the live theme. That's it. Your image banner is now in place and ready to impress visitors the moment they land on your store.